Hey third graders, today in Math in the Movies, we're going to be in the movie Toy Story. And we're also going to be working on practicing our area and perimeter skills. As we find the area and perimeter of Andy's room, Sid's room, and Bonnie's room. Now remember, area is the space that the room will take up. The space that a figure takes up, so it's like the floor or the ceiling of a room. And perimeter is the distance around a figure, which would be like the wall of the room. So keep that in mind as we are practicing the skills that we've learned before, keeping them separate. Area is your space that takes up. Perimeter is the distance around your room. All right, let's go to the movies.
Woody, what are you doing under the bed?
Nothing. Nothing. I'm sure Andy was just a little excited. That's all. Too much cake and ice cream, I suppose. It's just a mistake.
Well, that mistake is sitting in your spot, Woody. Have you been replaced?
Hey, what did I tell you earlier? No one is getting replaced. Now, let's all be polite and give whatever it is up there a nice, big Andy's room welcome.
Okay, so let's start off by finding the area of Andy's room. So as you can see here, area is going to be the space in which the room takes up, or the floor. We can find this area simply by separating it into the rectangle sections that we see and find the area of each section separately before putting them back together. So here I have one rectangular section that I found highlighted in purple, and it contains 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 4 in each row. So to find the area of this section, I need to multiply 5 times 4. 5 times 4, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 times 4 equals 20. That's just one section. Let's find another rectangular section. So I found another rectangle and I highlighted it in blue. And it has 3 rows with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in each row. So 3 rows of 9 is the same as 3 times 9. So we have 9, 18, 27. 3 times 9 equals 27. So we have 2 sections. One has an area of 20. The other has an area of 27. So we got to put both of these sections together now to get the area of the entire room. So the area of the entire room is 47 square units. Now let's find the perimeter. So the perimeter is the distance around the figure. So before we can find the total distance around the figure, we need to find the distance of each side individually. So now we have each side individually. To find the total distance all the way around, we got to start putting these sides together. So we have a few doubles here. So let's start with that. I have 3 doubled here, which is 6, and 3 doubled here, which is another 6, which makes 12. So those sides are done. Then I have 5 and 5, which makes 10. So 12 plus 10 equals 22. So these sides are done now. And then that just leaves 4 and 9. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. Almost done here. Just got to put the 22 and 13 together. Two plus 3 equals 5, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the perimeter of the entire figure is, the entire room is 35 units.
What we do?
Hey!
Potato Head.
Did you all take stupid pills this morning? Have you forgotten what he did to Buzz? And now you want to let him back over here?
No. You got it all wrong, Potato Head. Buzz is fine. Buzz is right here. He's with me.
You are a liar!
No, I'm not. Buzz, come over here and you just tell the nice toys that you're not dead. Just a sec. Buzz, will you get up here and give me a hand? That's very funny, Buzz. This is serious!
Hey, Woody, where'd you go? He's lying. Buzz ain't there.
Oh, hi, Buzz. Why don't you say hello to the guys over there? Hiya, fellas, to infinity and beyond.
Hey, look, it's Buzz.
Hey, Buzz, let's show the guys our new secret best friends handshake. Give me 5, man.
Something screwy here.
So you see, we're friends now, guys, aren't we, Buzz? You bet. Give me a hug. Oh, I love you too.
See? It is Buzz. Now give back the lights, Potato Head.
Wait just a minute. What are you trying to pull?
Nothing.
Oh, that is.
So now let's find the area and perimeter of Sid's room, starting with the area, the space that the room takes up. So I found my first rectangular section that I can cut it into, and it is highlighted in purple here, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in each row. So 6 rows of 9 is the same thing as 6 times 9. And 6 times 9 equals 54. So the area of the purple section is 54 square units. Okay, and then the other section I've highlighted in blue has 3 rows with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each row. So 3 rows of 6 is the same thing as 3 times 6. And 3 times 6 equals 18 square units. So we have a section that is 54 square units and a section that is 18 square units. We got to put both of these together now to get the area of the entire room. So 4 ones plus 8 ones equals 12 ones. And then 1 10 plus 5 tens is 6 tens plus 1 more is 7 tens. So the area of Sid's entire room is 72 square units. Alright, now let's find the perimeter, the distance around his room, his walls, all put together. To find the total distance, we need to first find each side length or wall individually. Okay, so now I know what the length of each side is, to find the perimeter, I need to find the total distance all the way around, which means I need to put all of these sides together. So starting with my doubles here, I have 3 and 3. 3 doubled makes 6. And then I have 6 and 6. 6 doubled makes 12. So 6 plus 12 equals 18. And that just leaves 9 and 15 left. So 15 plus 9 equals 24. So 24 and 18 together now. 4 plus 8 makes 12. And then 1 10 plus 2 tenths is 3 tenths plus 1 more is 4 tenths. So the perimeter of the entire room, the total distance around, is 42 units.
I'd like to join your posse, boys, but first I'm gonna sing a little song.
Sheriff! Move over, Mr. Prickle Pants. We have a guest. You want some coffee? It's good for you, but don't drink too much, or you'll have to... Be right back.
Psst. Hey, hello. Hi, excuse me. Shh. Can you tell me where I am?
Shh. The guy's just asking a question.
Well, excuse me. I'm trying to stay in character.
My name's Buttercup. You've met Baron von Schush.
Hello, I'm Trixie.
Guys, look, I don't know where I am.
We're either in a cafe in Paris or a coffee shop in New Jersey. I'm pretty sure I just came back from the doctor with life-changing news.
We do a lot of improv here. Just stay loose, have fun, you'll be fine.
No.
Okay, let's find the area and perimeter of Bonnie's room now. Starting with the area. Okay, so I've already split it up into one rectangular section here. I've highlighted it in purple. And it has 6 rows with 6 in each row. So 6 rows is 6. It's the same thing as 6 times 6, which equals 36. So the area of the purple section is 36 square units. And now I have found another rectangular section here, highlighted in blue, and it has 3 rows with 3 in each row. So 3 rows of 3, same thing as 3 times 3, which equals 9. So I have 36 square units and 9 square units, so the area of the entire room, I have to put those together now. 36 plus 9 equals 45. So the area in Bonnie's entire room is 45 square units. Okay, now let's find the perimeter, the total distance around her room. So before I can find the total distance, I need to find each side by itself. So each wall measures by itself this way. So let's start finding the perimeter by pairing up the doubles that we see. So I have 6 and 6. 6 doubled makes 12. And I have 3 and 3. 3 doubled makes 6. So 12 plus 6 is 18. And that just leaves 9 and 3. Nine plus 3 is 12. Not quite done yet. Now I got to put the 18 and 12 together. And that makes 30. So the perimeter of Bonnie's entire room is 30 units.
This is the part where we blow up!
Not today!
Hey, Buzz! You're flying!
This isn't flying, this is falling with style.